Hi! What's up guys? Welcome nga sa inyo sa bagong videos, bagong vlogs at new contents tayo ngayon this 2025 of the first quarter of the year. So yun nga guys, gusto ko sana i-share at i-celebrate sa inyo ang bagong content na bagong release ng BINI back in February 13, no? So nearly on Valentine's Day, no? So belated happy Valentine's nga pala sa lahat and so bago muna yan, intro muna tayo. Pew!
Make the ground shake.
So yun nga guys, back to the video na naman tayo ngayon. So gusto ko sana i-share sa inyo ang bagong release ng kanta ng BINI ay ang Blink Twice. So sino man guys ang hindi nakakapanood, so ang Blink Twice ay umabot siya ng, let's see, check ko lang to sa laptop. So more than 3.1 million views. Yay! So pinaka-favorite OG ship ko sa Mikaya. So happy 3 billion views sa Mikaya. 3 billion views tayo sa Mikaya guys. So yun nga guys, ang tagal ko inantay to na magre-release ng BINI ang music video na Blink Twice na yung kasi guys ito back tayo dito sa July 2024. Itong Cherry on Top parang 2 minutes and 58 seconds pero dito 2 minutes and 59 seconds parang magkasunod lang sila, pero wala pa sa wala pang ilang araw o ilang oras, maabot ng million views kasi sobrang sikat talagang BINI. So wag natin patagalin, i-play na natin ang Blink Twice by BINI. Yo, let's go. Alright, you'll see it. Whoa, what's that? Wait na.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it.
Oh!
Cause you know I'm running it.
Hiya! Mama Mary!
I'm lost inside your world, you got the symphony. Like da-do, da-do, da-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're tryna roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me.
I'm at the spot, baby, tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that-do, that-do, that-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's not even thinking about me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Maybe he's just looking at me. If you really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice?
Whoa,
Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice.
If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Yun lang. Not that thing.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Wow. Unbelievable. So yun. Parang preview sa Cherry on Top itong Blink Twice, no? Pero congrats nga pala sa Pantropio guys. Naka 100 million views na sila guys. Talagang sumisikat ang Bini ngayon mula ngayon, no? Pero guys, hindi ko pala nakuna ng video yung salamin tsaka Pantropico guys, no? Back in 2023 kasi yung phone ko medyo walang tunog. So yun nga guys, back to the recap naman tayo regarding dito sa video na ito. At syempre napakaganda. At syempre hindi ko na-expect na ang ganda ng angulo na kuha nila sa video na ito. Talagang hindi biro ang practice, rehearsal. Syempre kailangan professionalism. Kaya gusto ko rin sabihin sa inyo na ito lang talagang first video ko this 2025 at syempre hindi ko makakalimutan tong taon na ito kasi in the previous years kasi medyo busy ako for the things and and basta. So bago nga yan guys, bago ako magpaalam sa video na ito at gusto ko sana makihingi ng like, share at comment dito sa aking YouTube channel at huwag din kalilimutan na i-click ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong videos. So, stay safe sa inyo lahat. At syempre, happy 3 billion again sa Mikaya. At syempre, tuloy-tuloy ang paglayag ng OG Ships. Peace yo! Bye! Pew!